in front of my face.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this RNB drum kit slash MIDI pack called Blindfold, straight from Believers Records. It's something that I've actually been working on. It's crazy, man. I'm telling you, crazy sounds as always, man. You know, we've always got you 24/7 as far as crazy and amazing sounds is concerned. I'm not guessing you up, man. I'm telling you, everything in here, man, is just, it's crazy. It's everything that you need to make that crazy R&B beat and actually make it hot. So yeah, so before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like what I'm serving you on that plate, please just go ahead and hit the like button as well. So yeah, man, so let's get started. So there's a lot of sounds in here. There's hi-hats, there's kicks, there's midis, there's one-shot bass samples, there's percussion, there's shakers, and there's snares. So yeah, I'm gonna start you off first with the midis as always. Then we'll go back to the drums. So yeah, so let's get started with that. So wait. Before we actually go further, I would like to mention this. This drum kit was inspired by artists like, let's say, Brace and Tiller, Frank Ocean, Six Lack. There's a lot more on that list. You guys get the message. You get what I'm talking. You get what I'm talking about. It's always nice to have that little bit of inspiration to push you to levels. To actually bring the best out of you. Yeah. So yeah, man. So I'll be using Nexus for the sake of demonstration purposes. Nexus grand piano, and yeah. So let's get started. So instead of just playing the midis, I'll be using one of the loops from one of my MIDI kits, Party Next Door MIDI kit and loop. You can actually get it; it's free. You can go back to my previous stuff and just get it. It's free. Download it for free. So yeah, so I'm gonna pull up one of the loops from there. So I think I'll use this one somehow down. So let me just pull this. Then I think I'll be using 100 BPM on all the midis, but you can use whatever BPM you like, So let me just 100. Then let's just fit this. Change this to generic. Alright. Just change it here. Alright, let's see that. Alright, that sounds good. So yeah, so let's get started. So let's get back to Blindfold here. Let's load up one of these midis. First MIDI. Alright, let's go. Sorry for that. Yeah, let's go. Alright, second MIDI. Alright, third MIDI. Alright, next MIDI. Alright, third MIDI. Alright, last MIDI. So yeah, man, that's it for the MIDIs, man. Crazy MIDIs, you know, crazy sounds in there. Everything to get you started and making that crazy R&B beat. It's inspiration, man. And you can actually go as far as tweaking the MIDIs if you don't like what you're hearing, you know. You don't really have to go with the whole melody and how it sounds. You can tweak it to your own liking, or should I say desire. So yeah, man. So yeah, that's it. So let's jump straight into the drums. So I'm gonna start it first with the hi-hats. Kicks. Bass samples, one shots. Percs. Alright, shakers. Alright, snares. So yeah, man, that's it. That's it for the saws. High quality as always, man. You know, all you gotta do is just drag and drop, and you'll be good to go. So yeah, that's it, man. So I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you need any of that, just hit me up on my number, and we can talk business. And also, if you just want to talk about music, you know, just reminiscing, you know, it's all good, man. You can hit me up, bro. So yeah, that's it, man. Enjoy the drum kit. Make crazy banging beats, and I will see you on the next one.
Mix it with the shape, yeah. Mix it with the shake, yeah. I can trust nobody with my shit, man. Body. I can trust nobody with my shit, man. Body. I can trust nobody with my shit, man. Body. I can trust nobody with my shit, man. Body.